Welcome to GitHub for AI Projects, Full Stack Foundations, Nanoschool's Beginner AI Development Track. This course is designed for aspiring AI developers, offering a comprehensive introduction to essential tools and practices. Nanoschool is India's leading deep science learning organization, and this course is NSTC accredited, ensuring top-tier education. In just 2 weeks, you'll master Git and GitHub, learning to version control your AI models, notebooks, and datasets like a professional. You'll learn to track changes, collaborate safely, and manage AI projects on GitHub, just like industry teams. The course covers Git fundamentals, init, add, commit, push, and pull, which are core workflows for AI code management. You'll become proficient with the GitHub interface, including repositories, issues, readmes, and profile setup. Experiment safely with features using branches and master collaborative workflows like forking, cloning, and pull requests for team AI projects. This course is perfect for a variety of individuals looking to enhance their AI development skills. It's ideal for beginners in AI, data science, or software development, especially those starting with Python or AI courses. Specifically tailored for students and professionals in Delhi NCR who want to build a professional GitHub presence and collaborate on real projects, including hackathons. The course includes hands-on projects to solidify your learning with practical application. You'll create a personal AI portfolio, setting up a professional GitHub profile with a README, pinned repositories, and a clean structure. Track changes to a Jupyter notebook and dataset using .gitignore and commits, mastering version control for your data science work. For the capstone, you'll fork a peer's repository, improve their model, and submit a pull request, simulating real-world team collaboration. The course is structured for maximum learning and culminates in a valuable certification. The 2-week syllabus covers Git and GitHub setup in week 1 and collaboration and best practices in week 2, with approximately 15 hours of content. Upon completion, you'll receive an NSTC accredited certificate, shareable on LinkedIn and recognized by Indian employers and startups in Delhi NCR. Ready to supercharge your AI development career? Enroll now for just 2,499 rupees. Enjoy a 30-day refund policy and lifetime LMS access, along with dedicated Delhi NCR support. Our dedicated support team in Delhi NCR is available to assist you throughout your learning journey.